always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, it is Thursday, Friday Eve. We are almost there, right? As we take a look, this heat advisory is in effect. I know, kind of tired of hearing about these heat advisories, but I need to give you the heads up. I need to warn you because it is going to be an exceptionally hot day. Could feel like up to 111 degrees in Broward and Dade until 6 p.m. till 7 p.m. That heat advisory, as it could feel like up to 110 degrees. Either way you slice it, it is going to be steamy and feeling unbearable at times in the afternoon. That's when you need to take the necessary precautions. Make sure you're drinking a lot of water, your kids are staying hydrated too. And then as we take a look at our next weather radar network, a few showers beginning to approach the upper Keys, but outside of that, it is mainly dry. And as we head throughout the next few hours, notice our next weather rain tracker showing some isolated showers. And then boom, right as we get into around 1-2 p.m., another round of storms will be developing this afternoon that could be impacting many schools. And when the kids are picked up here at the bus stop going in through the evening, this is important because of course we've got the Fins game at Hard Rock Stadium. So if you're headed out there a little earlier for some tailgating around 5-6 p.m., even possibly 7 p.m., looks like we'll have to deal with some rain in spots, but hopefully by 8 p.m. this forecast holds, as it is looking drier by that time, but cloudy. Right now we are looking live from our Brickell camera. It already feels like the low 80s in Miami and Fort Lauderdale. It feels like 99 degrees in Key West. We continue to be stuck in this stormy pattern through tomorrow and Saturday. Sunday, though, a change as drier does move in and lower the rain chances. Let's take a look at the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Francine still drenching Louisiana as well as Mississippi and Alabama and even parts of the Florida Panhandle. So there's still the potential for some storm surge as well as some flooding here, as there's plenty of moisture. And look at the winds gusting as high as 26 miles an hour in New Orleans, as high as 37 miles an hour in Biloxi. So certainly very wet and windy morning here for our friends along the Gulf Coast. Tropical Storm Francine is weakening, though. It is pushing inland. Will continue to lift northeast and northward generally here, and will continue to impact much of the deep south. Off the southeast coast, we're watching this wave with a low potential of development. Two other waves here just to the east of the Lesser Antilles with a low chance of development in the tropics. Tropical Depression number 7 out there. It is moving west-northwest, forecast to become Tropical Storm Gordon, and then eventually will likely lift to the north and potentially to the northeast as we head into next week. We'll be watching it. But for today, it's all about the Fins right here on CBS Miami. The game kicks off at 8:15 p.m. You can watch it right here as they take on the Bills at Hard Rock Stadium. I think as we get into 8 p.m., the rain chance will start to decrease. There could be a few showers, but then partly cloudy, and the rain chance goes up through Saturday, but then decreases by Sunday.